solve it. Oh, yep.
I think you need to put a 5 next. Do you see where you have the minus 78.2? Yeah, there you go.
All right, any others? Any other error? So now to solve it, lots of different techniques. Let's do Kramer's rule, why not? So my denominator for B will for either 103.35, negative 78.25, 25.1, and negative 40.5. So I just took the coefficients of the B and C terms. Quick check, make sure I didn't mistype. And so my denominator will be the first diagonal, so 103.35 times negative 40.5 minus the other diagonal, negative 78.25, 25.1. And that'll be some positive number. My numerator, since I'm solving for the first variable, I take that 6 and negative 24 and put it in place of the first column. And then the second column is the same as below. And so this becomes 6 times negative 40.5 minus negative 24 times negative 78.25. And I might be off screen now, but hopefully I said it correctly. And so we end up with something. The numerator is negative, the denominator is positive, so B apparently is the one in the wrong direction.
Read the second term in the denominator.
Here? Or this?
Yes, that.
That's negative 40.5.
Thank you.
That's right here.
Right.
For the whole thing? Or just the top or bottom?
That's the whole thing.
That does not seem right.
I very easily could have misread some of the digits, but I have negative 0.955 amperes, not ohms.
Yeah, I was expecting it to be somewhere closer, closer to realistic.
For just the numerator, I got negative 2,121. Does that
Negative
sound right?
2,121.
Yeah.
And the denominator, this first term here is a positive number because two negatives. And the second one, you're subtracting a negative number, so you'll end up getting bigger.
Wait, should the numerator be a negative number?
Yes,
Okay.
because this is a negative number here. This is a positive number that you're subtracting from a negative number.
Okay, that means something wrong.
All right, you get an answer. And then to solve for C, you can use Kramer's rule, or you can just plug your value for B into one of those two equations, get a value for C, and then work backwards and solve for value of D, because it's just the sum of the other two. The question, I guess the remaining question from my point of view is, do you want me to set it up so that the answers on the test are integers, The plus side being, if you get integers, you should feel pretty good. If you don't get it, the downside is if you don't get integers, then you're now in this position of, where's the mistake? Or I could just pick random numbers and just let it fall where it may.
I feel like it'd be satisfying if the answers were integers, but it doesn't really matter to me.
I'm just worried my answers aren't gonna be integers, and then I'm just gonna be
Worried.
frustrated.
Like random number.
Yeah, that is the downside.
I'm fine with whatever, it doesn't make a difference to me.
Anyone care? Or leaning towards caring?
I'm leaning towards not. Not
Okay.
because I don't have faith in myself to get the right answer, but I don't know. I feel like I would definitely be the one to be like, okay, it's not an integer. Now what? Like,
Okay,
We've heard that twice, I think we should go with it.
all right. Fine, we'll just pick numbers and,
and it makes it easier on you, because you don't have to, right?
Yeah.
Find answers.
sure.
It does.
Regardless, if you don't get the same answer I get, it's still, going through all the the minutia of your solution. And, as much as you can, please show your work.
I tried calculating this again, and I got negative 0.344. Does that sound better?
Negative 0.344.
Sounds pretty good.
Potentially, it's one of those two. I don't, oh, do I have solutions here? No, I don't have solutions here. All right, the second bell has rung. I will see you Wednesday. For master set 19, I handed that back. If you handed me something on paper, if you emailed it to me, I have not graded your master set 19 yet. I think it was 2 of you, maybe 3.